Hello, in front of me I've got Mercedes EQA. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable cruise control. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the cruise control and speed limiter button. Press it to change the mode. You can see current mode right here in the top left corner. Cruise control is enabled when this icon appears. Now, start driving and accelerate to desired speed. Once it's done, press Set minus button. Now you can let the acceleration pedal go. Press Set plus button to increase the speed, Set minus button to decrease the speed, press Cancel button to pause, Set again to enable, and Reset button to reset to first set value. If you got adaptive cruise control in your car, you can also press this button to change distance from the following car. To disable cruise control, simply press limiter button. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.